Today we are doing true or false space edition. A statement will pop up and you have to decide quickly if it is true or false before time runs out. Let's see how much you know about space. Ready, let's go. The Sun makes up more than 99% of the mass in our solar system. True or false? True, the Sun contains about 99.8% of all the mass in our entire solar system. Everything else is tiny compared to it. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. True or false? True, Jupiter is so big that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Olympus Mons is the tallest volcano in the solar system. True or false? True, Olympus Mons on Mars is nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets. True or false? True, Jupiter spins so fast it completes a full rotation in under 10 hours. A comet's tail always points away from the Sun. True or false? True, solar wind pushes a comet's tail so it always streams away from the Sun. Mars has 2 moons. True or false? True, Mars moons are named Phobos and Deimos, and they're small and irregularly shaped. A light year measures time. True or false? False, a light year actually measures distance, how far light travels in 1 year. Earth is the hottest planet in our solar system. True or false? False, Venus is actually the hottest because of its thick heat-trapping atmosphere. All stars are the same size. True or false? False, stars range from tiny red dwarfs to giants that are hundreds of times larger than our Sun. Earth is the largest rocky planet. True or false? True, out of the rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Earth is the biggest. A year on Mercury is longer than a year on Earth. True or false? False, Mercury orbits the Sun in just 88 Earth days. The International Space Station is visible from Earth. True or false? True, on a clear night, you can actually see the ISS moving across the sky. Some planets have more than 50 moons. True or false? True, Saturn and Jupiter both have over 100 confirmed moons. Mars is known as the red planet. True or false? True, Mars looks red because of iron oxide, basically space rust. The Great Red Spot is a storm on Jupiter. True or false? True, that storm has been raging for over 300 years. Saturn is the only planet with rings. True or false? False, all the gas giants have rings. Saturn's are just the most visible. Pluto is larger than Earth's moon. True or false? False, Earth's moon is actually slightly bigger than Pluto. Astronauts float in space because there is no gravity at all. True or false? False, there is gravity. They're just constantly falling around Earth in orbit. The Sun is white, not yellow. True or false? True, it appears yellow from Earth because of our atmosphere. Space is completely black everywhere. True or false? False, space looks black, but it's filled with distant stars and galaxies. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. True or false? True, a teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. Black holes suck in everything nearby like a vacuum. True or false? False, black holes only pull in objects that get extremely close. The Milky Way is the name of our galaxy. True or false? True, and it contains hundreds of billions of stars. Saturn is the densest planet. True or false? False, Saturn is actually the least dense. It would float in water if you had a bathtub big enough. The first human to walk on the moon was Neil Armstrong. True or false? True, he stepped onto the moon in 1969 during Apollo 11. There is sound in space. True or false? False, sound needs air to travel, and space is nearly a vacuum. Uranus is tilted on its side. True or false? True, Uranus rotates almost completely sideways compared to other planets. A day on Venus is longer than its year. True or false? True, Venus spins so slowly that one day lasts longer than one trip around the Sun. The Hubble Space Telescope orbits the Moon. True or false? False, Hubble actually orbits Earth, not the Moon. The Moon is slowly moving closer to Earth. True or false? False, the Moon is actually drifting away about 3.8 centimeters each year. Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most planets. True or false? True, Venus spins backwards compared to Earth and most other planets. The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. True or false? True, that's where most of the rocky debris in our solar system is located. Meteors burn up in Earth's atmosphere. True or false? True, most meteors vaporize before ever reaching the ground. A day on Jupiter is less than 10 hours long. True or false? True, it's the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. Jupiter's gravity can strongly alter the paths of comets and asteroids. True or false? True, its massive gravity can bend or even capture passing space objects. The Moon produces its own light. True or false? False, the Moon only reflects sunlight. The Sun is a planet. True or false? False, the Sun is a star and the center of our solar system. The Moon is perfectly round. True or false? False, it's slightly uneven because of gravity and past impacts. Mercury has no atmosphere at all. True or false? False, Mercury has a super thin exosphere, not a thick atmosphere like Earth. The Sun will eventually become a black hole. True or false? False, our Sun will expand into a red giant, then shrink into a white dwarf. Thanks for watching. Did any of these surprise you? Let us know below.